what are you doing? You're on break. Get back to work. Hey, Devil Dog.
What are you doing?
That cat seems to be on break again.
Don't worry about the cat. Aren't you supposed to be doing something?
Yes, I'm working on EDC Box Club for 2020.
Actually, you're messing with the cat.
No, I believe me, I'm working.
All right. You gonna get it done, or don't I hit the brand ambassador do it?
I'm the brand ambassador.
The cat is.
Oh, I went to school for brand ambassador.
The cat branded on everything as the brand ambassador.
Oh, well, we should hire a new brand ambassador then. I think I'm gonna do it.
Just one?
No, we need a whole bunch of brand ambassadors.
Then get it done.
Okay, I'll do it then.
All right.
So, silence your cell phones, everyone, and get your popcorn settled in. I prefer jujubes, actually. I think they last a little longer. We're gonna teach you how to be a brand ambassador today for EDC Specialties, and believe me, you got the right guy teaching you because I went to school for brand ambassadory, and I know exactly what it takes to do this very complex job. So, first of all, let me just explain something to you. We have a limited number of spots available. Not everyone who applies is going to get the brand ambassador position, and certainly no stupid cats are allowed. Your Instagram and Facebook pages must have some EDC related content. If all you do is post food all the time, then stick a pry bar in it or something. Make it look like it's EDC, will you? Okay, and you should be active. Don't troll, but get out there and answer some questions once in a while, or like some posts, or do something. Jeez, in the EDC community. Oh, by the way, you could get all that stuff that was down there. We're gonna give you a whole bunch of stuff. Brand ambassadors, if you make it to brand ambassador, I will be your brand ambassador admiral. And basically, you'll get a coupon code that other people can use, and it gives you points toward your free EDC gear. My favorite free quarterly gift boxes. So every quarter you receive something from EDC Specialties, and then you can pimp that around and show off your cool new EDC stuff. You'll always get 15% off your purchases in the store on the website. So you want to buy something for yourself, get a good deal on it. And also, if you make good posts, it's possible that Rob might repost you and maybe gain some followers for your own profile. So, if you choose to take part in this mission and you think you might want to be a brand ambassador and get all that stuff, then we're going to ask you to help do my job, actually. Promote the EDC Box Club. So I'm not sure if you're familiar with the EDC Box Club or not. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. You're going to go and learn about it some yourself. But basically, the EDC Box Club is coming up for 2020, and we need new members to sign up. And that's what we're going to count on you to help us get. So from now until December 31st is a promo period, and we're trying to get as many new people as we can. So you have a chance to earn great gifts and even store credit. So the way this is going to work is for every person you get to sign up as a new EDC Box Club member, you basically get a free month of Box Club for every person. So if you get 1 to 11 signups, then you get a free month of EDC Box Club, and that's worth $60 a month, man. So, you could get yourself almost a whole year like that. If you don't want the Box Club because maybe you got it before and you don't want to duplicate this stuff because it's all durable goods, and, then you could take $25 store credit, and gosh, if you got up to 11, that's $275 in store credit. If you go ahead and get 12, that means you get the whole year, but we're going to even help you out a little bit more, and we're going to engrave everything for you, and it'll say your name on it and stuff like that, and you'll be able to get an additional $25 store credit, so that gives you up to $400 in store credit. So you could really earn some good stuff, including maybe even a Grail knife. I mean, that's enough to get a Chris Reeve right there. I went to school for Chris Reeve, you know that. So some of you maybe don't know about the EDC Box Club. I don't know what hole you've been living in, but I can tell you that it's a great success. It was my genius plan, of course, and so we came up with it, and basically in the 12 months of the year, you get a new Box Club box every month, and in there is all kinds of cool American-made EDC gear. Go to YouTube and check out all of the previous unboxing videos. You'll see all the stuff that's in there. So, you think you want to do this? If you do, great. If you don't, take off now, might as well. But listen, if you're into it, you want to try and be part of this thing, then all you have to do is message me directly with your official request to participate. I'll check out your profile personally, and if I select you, then I'll start by sending you an EDC Specialties gift pack so you can represent the brand. It'll have all kinds of stuff in it, stickers and magnets and other goodies, and you'll be able to get out there and start making posts and represent the brand. You'll also get a referral code, and that's specific to you. So as you get people to sign up for the Box Club, they'll use your referral code, and you'll get credit for those signups. In order to promote the Box Club, you can use and repost any social media post available from hashtag EDC Box Club, whether it's EDC Specialties or not. I mean, remember, there's a whole bunch of people out there who've gotten the Box Club and posted their stuff. So check Facebook and check Instagram and check YouTube, and you see all kinds of stuff for EDC Box Club. Okay, I'm going to send you some links of reviews to every month, so you'll be able to really understand what was in there and how to use it, and you can use those to promote. And then we ask that you make at least 3 posts per week promoting EDC Box Club during the promo period. So that's like about another 8-10 weeks, something like that, right? And so you have to do 3 posts a week, help them promote the Box Club, and then actively try to get people to sign up. So, that's it. It's pretty easy, but, you know, it's a very complex and powerful position to be in as brand ambassador. So, listen, I wish everybody luck. If you have any questions, get a hold of me personally, Handson. I will be your brand ambassador admiral. Go get 'em!